Okay, I'll spawn.
Okay.
Come to the left for buffs. Always left for buffs. Oh shit, is Bowser gonna cam? Shit, I'm gonna go soldier then.
Elf left side mid. He's got the medic.
He's going bottom mid. Oh, headshot, I think. Med.
Oh shit.
That's a ninja.
Jiggity
Good
bop.
shot.
Oh, no,
Oh, yeah.
no, don't. Okay,
Yeah, GM right behind you.
That's that med still, right?
Ninja.
I'm ready to go in.
Where's their archer playing now?
Is anyone here?
I don't know.
Oh,
I'm
never
ready
mind,
to go in.
found it. Okay.
Nice.
Kill like block.
Oh my god, what?
I hit pyro.
Damn.
Scout left side.
Yeah, I see the scout. Scout is like behind. Scout is
Gentlemen,
behind
switch
the flag right now.
I'm getting on archer.
Yeah, they have an
Archer's
archer
dead.
right now going.
Archer's
Very
dead.
nice.
Scout's dead.
Nice.
Med. Zappin's 5 stake.
Someone kill the assassin.
Assassin
there.
dead.
He's dead, nice.
Try not to let them. They got a lot in.
Archer's bottom mid again.
Okay. Archer's dead.
That's. What's that? Soldier?
That's soldier going mid.
Soldier.
Okay, I'm gonna
He
try
has,
to get.
he has med top.
Okay, Snowbird will be there for a backup, I think.
Powers
Bowser.
of the recovery.
Assassin block by block.
Oh.
Man.
Good morning.
Where do you guys
Top flag low.
buffs?